Woke up this morning, sun shining bright, living each moment, feeling the light. Gratitude in my heart, joy in my sight. Every breath I take, everything's alright. Friends by my side, we laugh and we cheer. Living for today with nothing to fear. Through highs and lows we persevere. Celebrate life, every moment we own. With love and laughter, seeds are sown. Dancing through the days we've grown, this is our anthem. Every day's a gift, wrapped in light. Hope and dreams, taking flight. Living in the present, future's bright. Together we shine, hearts ignite. Memories we make, stories we tell. In this dance of life we dwell. Through the ups and downs, all is well in the celebration.